Hello everyone, in this video I'll be sharing with you this very powerful vitamin C skin glowy recipe. This smoothie is highly rich in vitamin C and a very powerful antioxidant to fight free radical damage from the inside out, causing dullness on the skin, premature aging and the rest, leaving your skin looking so glowy, youthful, years younger. So we all know free radical damage is like the 90% cause of skin issues. So the solution or the cure for free radical damage is consuming antioxidants, which is really loaded in this smoothie, highly rich in vitamin C and a very powerful antioxidant smoothie. It tastes so good in the mouth as well. I will not waste your time. I'll take you and show you how to come up with this smoothie at yourself at home. Feel free to share with your family and friends so we can all stay healthy, looking vibrant. It actually tastes so good in the mouth. So let's get into the making of this smoothie yourself at home. In order to make the very powerful vitamin C glowing skin smoothie, the first ingredient you need, of course, is a very powerful source of vitamin C, which is papaya. Papaya is highly rich in vitamin C, and what we need is half a papaya. So you get one papaya, divide in the middle. You need just half for the smoothie of today. Papayas are highly rich in vitamin C and a very powerful source of antioxidant to fight free radical damage from the inside, preventing the glow of your skin, making your skin look dull, not healthy and hydrated. Consuming vitamin C and antioxidants reveal that glow from within. It equally helps to improve your digestion, so you digest food you eat so it doesn't store up, causing belly fat and weight gain subsequently. It helps to boost your immune system. In short, papayas have so many benefits. Even your eyesight, if you're having difficulties with your sight, papaya has the ability of help improve your sight. So voila, this is what you want to do. You want to peel and take out the seed from the middle of the papaya. You need just the fruit without the peel and the seed. So just watch what I am doing. Now you want to slice into sizes that you can easily blend. Because it's a smoothie, you want to slice into sizes that you can easily blend, depending on the size of your blender and how strong your blender is. If you equally have menstrual issues, it helps to ease your menstrual pain so you don't feel a lot of pain while menstruating. Papayas are so good. So yeah, make sure to always rinse your ingredients the second time. You don't want to put in dirt into your system. So I cleaned before peeling the papaya, and I've cleaned again before I will put in my blender to add the other ingredients. So the remaining half of the papaya I am keeping in my refrigerator for the next use. The next ingredient you want to add in this smoothie is another very powerful source of vitamin C and antioxidant as well. Vitamin C and antioxidants are what we need to glow our skin from the inside out. They fight free radical damage causing the dullness on the skin issues. They form a barrier for free radical damage, now leaving your skin looking so healthy, vibrant and youthful. So we are using 2 oranges. Any vitamin C fruit of your choice is fine. These are oranges. You can use grapefruit, you can use lemon, but I think oranges or grapefruits are the best, so you can get a lot and enough juice for the smoothie. So you want to get the juice out of your oranges, as I am doing. Oranges are so good as they equally help aid in digestion. They help you if you are someone facing difficulties in digesting food, or you've gained a lot of weight and you want to lose weight. You need to consume metabolism boosting fruits like oranges, grapefruits. They help you with digestion. If you want to lose weight, these are the kinds of fruits you should be consuming, as they help you melt down belly fat as well. If you have belly fat, you're struggling with weight and excess weight gain. So oranges are equally very good, as most skin brightening serums and lotions are made with orange peel or the juice from concentrated juice from orange. The next thing you want to add in the smoothie is bananas. So we are using one banana for this smoothie. Bananas too are equally so good, as they are, I don't know, I love adding bananas in all my smoothies. They give a very beautiful taste to your smoothie, making it not too light and not too thick as well, just so good in the mouth. Like, this is my best. Bananas are equally loaded with so many vitamins and minerals you want to put into your system for the glow of your skin, like potassium. So many vitamins and minerals found in banana as well. So you want to slice into sizes that you can easily blend. And the next thing you want to do is put in all your ingredients in your blender. So that is the papaya, my banana, and now my orange juice. So usually I will add in some ice blocks because I like having my smoothies chilled. It will not be cold, but it will just be chilled in the mouth, comfortable for you to like. So good. But if you don't have ice blocks, you can just skip this stage. That's okay. I just like it chilled. That's why I'm putting in like 2 ice blocks. Then I like adding a little bit of vanilla flavor, which is optional. You must not add any flavor, but it makes the smoothie taste so heavenly, so nice. Voila. So you want to blend now to get a very smooth consistency. You don't want to consume your smoothie and get like some particles of fruits in the mouth or vegetables. You want to really blend everything to be really smooth. Yeah, so blended. You want to now put in your cup. If you're taking some to work, you can put in another cup, like the cup you carry to work. If you want to drink at home, you want to share with a family or friend, feel free. This is so healthy. This is like the secret of glowing your skin from the inside out, because as I always say, what gets into your system internally does the job more than what lotion or whatever you use on your skin topically. Like, you are what you eat. You look like what you put in your system, and putting in nutrients like this into your system leaves your skin looking so plumped, fresher and glowy. So voila, this is it. Feel free to share this video with your family and your friends so we can all stay healthy, looking glowy, and yes, younger. So I hope someone found this video helpful. Don't forget to share with everyone so we can all stay looking healthy. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and see you again in my next video. Bye.